In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of a Facebook page within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open the Facebook app, then select Menu in the bottom menu. Once you get to Menu, at the top you'll see your name. Go ahead and select the drop down right there. And in the list here, we just want to select the page that we want to change the name of. So go ahead and select it. It'll switch to that page. Now that we've switched to the Facebook page, in the bottom menu, select the Facebook page icon all the way to the right to open the menu again, and then select the gear at the top to open up the settings. Now that we're in the settings, scroll down and select Page Setup. Once we're in Page Setup, you'll see Name at the top, select that, and then all we need to do is select this text box, change the name however you want. Keep in mind you can only change it once every 60 days, so if you change it, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. Then just select Review Change at the bottom. It'll then show you what the new name looks like. Once you're good with the new name, select Submit for approval. It'll then submit that page name change for approval, and it may take up to 3 days. Look for a notification, and they'll let you know if the new name change was approved, and then if it was changed, you can just navigate to the Facebook page, and you should see the name change right there. And that's how you change Facebook page name on iPhone or Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.